Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make crafts made out of paper using an easy method. We'll begin by gathering just a few basic supplies you likely already have around the house, like paper, scissors, and a good adhesive. Then, we'll explore some simple projects perfect for beginners, such as creating colorful paper chains or trying out basic origami shapes. The key is to start with fundamental folds and cuts, gradually building your skills and confidence with each new creation. Once you have your supplies, let's dive into some fundamental folding techniques. Mastering the valley fold and the mountain fold is crucial for achieving crisp, clean lines in your paper crafts. Practice these until they feel natural. Next, try out accordion folds, which are fantastic for adding texture and dimension to your projects. Don't be afraid to experiment with various paper weights. A heavier cardstock versus a lighter construction paper will yield very different, interesting results. Beyond folding, creative cutting and shaping are essential for many paper crafts. Always use sharp scissors to ensure precise, clean edges, which makes a big difference in the final look of your project. For adding intricate details without the fuss of hand cutting, explore decorative punches. They come in many shapes and sizes. Finally, try layering different paper colors and textures. This simple technique can add incredible depth and visual contrast, making your crafts truly stand out. To complete your paper crafts, focus on the finishing touches. Make sure all your pieces are securely fastened with a strong, quick-drying glue to ensure your creations last. Don't hesitate to add embellishments like glitter, stickers, or even small beads to give your projects a unique flair and personal touch. Remember, the goal is to have fun and express your creativity. And speaking of upgrades, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.